Today we're going to be doing a headlight restoration on an RX-8. However, this method will work on any vehicle. This is everything that you're going to need when you're doing this headlight restoration. You want to have an impact, and then you apply each of these pads in steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then finish off with Chemical Guy's headlight restoration. The first thing you want to do is prep the surface. You're just going to use any type of water or soap and water, lightly spray, and then wipe to clean the surface. So you want to protect your paint, so your second step is just covering the area surrounding your headlight with masking tape. So this is what you want it to look like after step 1. You want to make sure that the swirls are spread out and that you weren't sitting there on one spot and then there's no shininess. Alrighty, so we just used the 800 grit right here to cut down the 500, and then we just used this 3000 to cut down this 800. We're going to be finishing up with this polish right here from Chemical Guys. You're just going to dab it onto here, spread it around, and then here you are. Now you can take off your masking tape and then enjoy your finished product.